New Jersey Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond. What is a Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond? Simply put, a Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond is a type of surety bond required by the New Jersey Department of Transportation, or NJDOT, from individuals or entities seeking permits for new highway access or modifications to existing highway access points. When a property owner or developer applies for a permit to construct a new driveway, modify an existing access point, or make any changes that could impact highway access, the NJDOT may require them to obtain a Highway Access Permit Restoration Bond. This bond acts as a guarantee that the property will be restored to its original condition if any damage occurs during construction or modification activities. Why is it necessary? Protection for property owners. It provides assurance to property owners that their interests are protected in the event of damage caused by highway construction or modifications. Financial responsibility. By requiring a bond, the New Jersey Department of Transportation ensures that property owners or developers have the financial means to address any damage that may occur during the permitted activities. Preservation of highway infrastructure. It helps maintain the integrity of the highway infrastructure by ensuring that adjacent properties are properly restored or compensated for any impacts resulting from construction or modification activities. Compliance with regulations. The bond requirement ensures compliance with state regulations governing highway access permits, promoting orderly and responsible development. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.